Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to find, or at least try to find, the activation date on your iPhone. There are a couple of ways you can do this, and I'll walk you through each method step by step. First and easiest way is to open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and go to Mobile Service or Cellular, which should be in the first set of options there. Tap on it, and then scroll all the way down past all the listed apps. At the bottom, you'll see an option labeled Last Reset. If you've never reset or wiped your iPhone, you should see a date there. For example, for me, it shows May 27, 2024, at 6:36 p.m. That was the date I last reset my iPhone. Unfortunately, because of this, I can't confirm my activation date. But if you've never reset your device, this date should be close to the activation date. So, that's the first method. The second method, which is also quite easy, involves using any web browser, like Chrome or Safari. I'll open Safari and go to support.apple.com. Once you're on the Apple support page, tap on iPhone under the Apple support section. Scroll down until you find My Support and tap on it. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID, so go ahead and do that. After signing in, you should see a list of all the devices associated with your Apple ID. Find and tap on your iPhone from the list. Here, you should see your date of purchase, which is often a good indicator of when your phone was activated. For instance, it might show something like September 15, 2020, which can give you an idea of the activation date. Now, there are also third-party tools available that can help you find your iPhone's activation date. I'm not going to showcase them in this video, but you can find out the activation date of my iOS device. These tools typically require you to enter your device's serial number and will pull the information for you. However, use them at your discretion. So, to recap, Settings method. Go to Settings, then Mobile Service or Cellular, scroll down to Last Reset. If you haven't reset your device since you bought it, the date shown here should be close to the activation date. Remember, a reset here means a full wipe and fresh start of the device, not just turning it off and on. Apple Support method. Use a browser to go to support.apple.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and check the date of purchase under My Support. This date is usually close to your activation date. Third-party tools. If needed, use Google to find third-party tools by searching for Find out the activation date of my iOS device and entering your serial number. These methods should help you find the activation date of your iPhone or at least give you a close approximation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.